What do you do in your life? Pause the video and just jot down a couple things you do in your day-to-day life.
So these are some of the ones that we could come up with, such as we are able to go to school each day, as well as we are able to have the freedom of speech and pretty much to be able to say what we want to in reason.
Yeah, we all have the ability to worship how we choose to or not worship if that's our choice as well. And so all of these are different rights that we have.
And these rights are what we call our civil rights. These civil rights are the things that are granted and guaranteed to us under law. They help provide us with equality and with different freedoms.
Now we're going to learn about some of the people who helped us gain these civil rights.